Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use the fishing circles in the Fish It game of Roblox New Valentine's Update Part 2. Okay, let's get into it guys. The Valentine's Update Part 2 has been released, and in this update, you will be able to use the new fishing circles. It says grab some friends and fish together to gain a log boost. Okay, first you need to go to the Heartfell Island to find the fishing circles. You can go to the fishing zone right here, and you will see a lot of fishing circles that you can use. And just go to this circle, and you will get log boost. As you can see, I got 30% log boost, and now it's active. And just do fishing here. And once you go to the circle, the auto fishing will be automatically activated. Wow. It's kind of useful feature, guys. Okay, guys, and that's how you can use the fishing circles in Fish It Game of Roblox New Valentine's Update Part 2. I hope this video will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!